Namaste and a very warm welcome to this course, The Secrets to Strong Bones and Pain-Free Joints. My name is Preeti Syal. I am a registered holistic nutritionist, a certified Ayurvedic lifestyle consultant, and the founder of My Holistic Kitchen, where ancient Ayurvedic wisdom meets modern holistic nutrition. Having worked with women in midlife for years and having gone through perimenopause and menopause myself, I truly understand how confusing and overwhelming this phase can feel, especially when it comes to bone health, joint stiffness, and overall vitality. I know many women are told after 45 or 50, you have osteopenia or your bone density is declining. Take calcium and be careful. And suddenly, fear replaces confidence. But here's the truth. I want you to remember from the very beginning, bone loss is not just about aging, and weak bones are not inevitable. You see, after menopause, the body goes through profound hormonal, metabolic, and structural changes. Your female hormones, estrogen and progesterone, decline dramatically. Muscle mass reduces, calcium absorption slows down, joint lubrication decreases, and Vata dosha as per Ayurveda naturally increases, leading to dryness, stiffness, and fragility in bones and joints. From a modern scientific lens, this phase increases the risk of osteoporosis, osteopenia, sarcopenia, joint pain, and stiffness. And from an Ayurvedic perspective, this stage reflects Asti Dhatu depletion or Vata aggravation, reduced tissue nourishment, and slower digestion and absorption, which means the solution cannot be one supplement or one exercise. It must be holistic, it must be nourishing, and it must be sustainable. So for that reason, my friends, I curated this course, The Secrets to Strong Bones and Pain-Free Joints. This is not another fear-based course, and it's not just about taking calcium or walk more to have stronger bones and joints. This program integrates modern science, holistic nutrition, Ayurvedic wisdom, lifestyle medicine, hormonal understandings, and practical daily routines for women over 40. Because true bone strength is built through daily habits, proper digestion, hormonal balance, movement, sleep, and nervous system balance, not just supplements. As a woman who deeply values seasonal living, morning walks, and Ayurvedic self-care routine, I personally experienced how slowing down, nourishing my body, and aligning with nature transformed my energy, strength, and resilience during midlife. This phase of life is not a decline for sure. It is a transition into wisdom, stability, and deeper self-awareness, but only when we support our body consciously. So this course is especially designed for women who want to age strong, active, and pain-free. Women who prefer a natural, integrative, and Ayurvedic approach. Women who are experiencing joint stiffness, fatigue, or bone concerns. Or women who are actually diagnosed with osteopenia or osteoporosis. Or in general, women who are going through perimenopause or are already in postmenopause. Even if you are currently healthy, this course will serve as a powerful prevention guide for lifelong bone strength. This course is divided into several carefully designed sections. In part 1, we will begin by understanding bone health in midlife women. You'll learn what happens to bones during perimenopause and postmenopause, why bone loss often begins silently after the age of 40. We'll try and understand the role of hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, and insulin, and the difference between osteopenia and osteoporosis. In part 2, we will focus on bone building nutrition. You'll learn about calcium-rich foods beyond dairy, the importance of nutrients like vitamin D3, magnesium, vitamin K2, proteins and healthy fats, and how gut health influences mineral absorption. We'll also discuss foods and habits that may weaken bones and how to choose supplements wisely. In part 3, we'll explore Ayurvedic herbs, therapies, and natural support for bone health. This includes understanding Asti Dhatu nourishment, rejuvenating herbs known as rasayanas, the benefits of oil massage or abhyanga, and other supportive Ayurvedic practices that strengthen bones and joints. And in part 4, we'll focus on lifestyle and daily routines that support bone health. In this part, you'll learn about ideal daily routines for midlife women, the importance of sunlight and circadian rhythm, sleep and nighttime bone repair, and the relationship between stress, cortisol, and bone loss. We will also explore movement, yoga, and strength training for maintaining bone density. You'll learn why weight-bearing exercises are essential after 40 and how to safely begin strength training and how to build balance, stability, and mobility to prevent falls and injuries. So, my friends, I invite you to move through this course slowly, mindfully, and compassionately. Not with a fear of bone loss, but with awareness, nourishment, and empowerment. Because strong bones are not built overnight. They are built daily through small, consistent, loving choices. So let's begin this beautiful journey towards strong bones, pain-free joints, and graceful, vibrant aging. For long-term success, book your very own private one-on-one consultation, which includes a perfect blend of modern holistic nutrition backed with the intelligence of our 5,000-year-old ancient Ayurvedic wisdom. These sessions are tailored to your holistic health goals, keeping your unique mind-body constitution in mind. And if you are new to Ayurveda or holistic nutrition, please do visit our website myholistickitchen.com for various self-paced online courses in Ayurveda and holistic nutrition. Looking forward to connecting with you and helping you in your journey towards better health. Namaste.